Hey guys, sorry I'm late uploading. A lot of stuff has happened this past weekend, so I'm trying to do it now. I mean, of course I'll upload again this week. It's like a double video this week, so don't be mad at me, I'm sorry. Okay, so I want to test out this product I got, and I want us to kind of go through it together. And I want to just see if it works. How long does it stay for, last, you know, yada yada yada. So hopefully you'll stick with me on this journey and we'll find out. So the product I want to try is this color Crave. It's supposed to be like a, I don't know, like a stamp type thing. You just, yeah, see, that's the picture of it on the side. You're like supposed to squeeze it and the color will come up front, and then like it turns purple, which is the color I have, and you're supposed to, it's supposed to look like this sort of. So we're gonna find out. Okay, so I took it out and I already tried to do it myself, but here, I'll show you. When it does that, then it feels purple. It's scary, but also kind of cool. I'm just gonna do my ends just to test it and see if it works, and I'll swipe it on there and blow dry it, and we'll come back and see how it goes. Woo! Guys, don't be me, okay? See, what had happened was I made a mess. Look at my shirt. I messed up my shirt. You know, I could probably tie-dye this actually, so it's on my pants. I got it on my feet. And I got it on my floor. And this is what it now looks like. Don't squeeze it too tight or else it'll go pop. Not a blow dry. So I put it in, blow dried it. If you look at me, you don't really see purple, but in the light, like I can see purple. There's like, see, you can see hints of purple in the hair. You see a little bit of like some sort of purple, but it's not like full on purple. It's still brown, but I mean, I'm not mad about it. I am not mad about it. So yeah guys, I guess it works. I'm pretty happy that it does. And I got this from Target. It was part of like that beauty box. They come with like little samples and all that type of stuff, which is pretty cool. Like, you know, you get to see what most stuff is, like test it pretty much. This isn't sponsored, okay? I'm just really trying to see if things work or not. I recommend you go and get this. I'm pretty sure they have tons of colors. I would probably go and get like a nice forest green or red. You never know. This is the one. I like it, so maybe you guys like it and might test it out and let me know how it works for you. Is there a way to make it, the color come out more, make it pop? Maybe I didn't put enough, or I didn't blow dry it. Or no, maybe I'll over blow dry it. I don't know. So if you get it and it turns out different for you, just, you know, let me know on Twitter or post it on my Facebook page or whatever, something. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.